Hi everyone! So today I wanted to share one thing that I tried from this book, which is number 19, Sell a Thing You Own. So what can we do with our things? We either keep them or we do something with them by donating, reselling and throwing. So I'm very good with the first one and very bad with the rest. And I was pushed recently in less than a week to move, to pack all my things and to move out of my apartment. And all the situation taught me some valuable lessons that I would love to share with you. So how do I organize myself? First, I made a list. I actually made two lists. One is on the things I want to sell, predicted price, and also price I'm ready to give a discount, and total basically income prediction. The second, I made a list of the three things I'm ready to give away together with the things I will be selling. Second, promotion channels. So I asked my friends, and less than a day I got the groups, contacts, quite easy. You can also use, any channels in internet to find it. There are plenty of those. Third thing, promotion. I realized that the more consistent I am, the better. So not just posting once a day, but posting in some groups, if they allow, posting twice a day will make a difference. Which in my case, unfortunately, time still also matters. So I had really short amount of days that I'm able to promote, and unfortunately I failed. So I just got one sale. So, and step number 4 is follow up. So talking to that person who bought and telling him or her logistic parts, the price, all the follow-up thing on the time you will meet or send the goods. So that one I failed as well, because in the end their puzzle box that I sold I didn't end up finding and didn't end up sending to person. So from overall process, in general I earned 0. I ended up throwing and donating all the things, but what I learned is two things. One is on the efforts. I think overestimated my ability of selling things in a short time. So are you ready to put some efforts before you start? Second is, do you have enough time? Again, I overestimated. I thought that, oh, it's okay, 2 days, 3 days, why not? Unfortunately, it doesn't happen in a day. Maybe it will. I think if you want, give it a shot. But again, if you want to do it in a proper way, budget time. All this process of trying this thing actually still taught me a lot. I managed to throw a lot of things and to donate a lot of things that before I wouldn't manage to do so. How I managed to do it is just by asking my friends what are their tips you would recommend. And two things that I learned from them. One is, don't associate yourself with the thing. So if you're throwing something, you're not throwing part of you, you're just throwing a thing. Maybe it helps you, it serves you some purpose, but it's just stuff. So get rid of it if you want. Second is, think about utility and how often did you use it. So if you didn't use something for 6 months, that's a yellow card. If you didn't use something for 12 months, meaning that's red card, you're supposed to get rid of it. And the third question I asked myself, will someone else benefit more than I do from the stuff that I earn? If the answer is yes, give it away. Mariia and I would really love to know your tips on selling things. Please comment below and see you in the next video.